So you know how we are obsessed with the Denver Police Department's Community Outreach Tesla, which sounds like a great way to reach those troubled kids hanging out outside a Restoration Hardware swapping fabric swatches. But the mystery of this Community Outreach Tesla is how DPD got it in the first place. They told us that it was seized, but only now has our Steve Steger figured out the backstory.
There she is, before the police paint, before the flashing lights. We are pretty sure that is DPD's Tesla in a photo on the Instagram account of a guy named Aaron Baca, a guy who runs his own roofing company, a guy who, by the looks of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, doesn't appear to be involved in any shady stuff. Yet his Tesla is now DPD's Tesla, a story that dates back to the summer of 2017.
Prosecutors say it's the largest pot bust since marijuana was legalized in Colorado.
That is when law enforcement announced one of the largest illegal marijuana busts in Colorado history, Operation Toker Poker. The first mugshot on the big board matches the photo of Aaron Baca on Twitter. In an indictment, Baca was accused of forging mortgage documents to help his friends get houses and using his roofing business to launder money. And earlier this month, Baca pleaded guilty to money laundering, tax evasion, and conspiracy to distribute marijuana. And the AG felt it was time to finally tell us where DPD's Tesla came from. Prosecutors allege Baca bought it with illegal funds, perhaps best summed up in a comment on his Facebook page earlier this month where he explains what happened to a friend. Quote, "I still can't figure out what I was thinking the day I bought a Tesla straight cash, homie. Had I financed it like a normal person, I'd still have her today." So Baca is due to be sentenced in May. We reached out to him today, haven't heard back. So technically, the DEA seized the car and then shared it with their partners in this whole investigation, DPD. So according to the U.S. Attorney's Office, the seizure was uncontested. So, Kyle, it never went to court, so there's really no documentation that we could get our hands on today. It was just handled administratively by the DEA, and there you go.
And this cat thinks his mistake was that he didn't finance the car.
Yeah, he just went straight cash, homie, and that was the problem.
Life is about choices.
It is.
As we say here, life is about choices. All right, wave at that Community Outreach Tesla if you see it around town. It's very quiet. All right, thank you, Steve.